Hello, students of Standard 9. How you all are at home? I am here in this YouTube channel of Monbretia with your English new chapter from the Beehive book, chapter 4, A Truly Beautiful Mind. A truly beautiful mind is the mind of a very famous person of the world. I think you also have heard the name of him. His name was Albert Einstein. Great scientist, great mathematician. But great men are not born with special science. In their childhood days, they are also like common children. And their likes and dislikes are very much similar to everybody. Their parents also take care of them as normal parents do, as your parents, my parents are done. Their parents also take the normal care. But gradually, these children develop some specific virtues and become great when they grow up. So, this is the story about a genius person, Albert Einstein. Albert Einstein was born on 14th March 1879 in the German city of Ulm, ULM. But without any indication that he was destined for greatness, means no indication was there from the birth only. Nobody can say that he will become a great person in future. Rather, his mother thought Albert was a freak. Means a person who is usually and does not behave or think like others, just like a mad people. His mother herself think that my child will not be a very great person or any good person. He might be a mad boy. Because his head seemed much too large. He was not talking till he was 2.5. At the age of 2.5 also, he was not talking, not even speaking a few words or mom, dad, like this. He learned to play violin at 6. And when he learned to speak, he uttered everything twice. Einstein did not know what to do with other children. And his playmates, his friends, called him boring brother because he did not like to play with other playmates, other friends. So the youngster played by himself, alone, all the time. He especially loved mechanical toys. Mechanical toys from beginning only. His father has given one watch once in the beginning to play with. He was very fascinated to see the needle of the watch clock is moving. When his small sister was born, he was not at all astonished. He said, well, she is my newborn sister, but where are her wheels? About studies, I'm going to tell you something about his studies. A headmaster once told his father that what Einstein chose as a profession would not matter. Means after studying what he chose for profession, it does not matter because he will never make a success in life. Means he was not good at all in the school, not in studies. He is good in studies, but he is not taking interest at all in the school. Einstein began learning to play the violin at the age of 6 because his mother wanted him to play violin, and he later became an amateur violinist. But Albert Einstein was not a bad boy or bad person. He is also good at studies. He went to high school in Munich, where Einstein's family had moved when he was 15 months old, and scored good marks in almost every subject. At the age of 15, Einstein felt so stifled there in the school that he left the school for good, for his goodness. He always had a clash with the teachers because he did not like so much disciplined surrounding or environment of the school. The previous year, Albert's parents had moved to Milan. Einstein got his wish to continue his education in German-speaking Switzerland, in a city which was more liberal than Munich. German-speaking Switzerland was more liberal. There the students in this university can maintain his own wish over there. They can develop themselves, perform themselves according to their wish. Einstein was highly gifted in mathematics and interested in physics. And after finishing school, he decided to study at the University of Zurich. But only science wasn't the only thing that appealed to the dashing young man. He did not only like science, in the social activities also. He was very famous. He has a good mustache. Walrus mustache. He liked to keep walrus type of mustache. Very young, dashing, handsome young man he was at that time. And he also felt a special interest in a fellow student, a girl student whose name was Mileva Maric, whom he found to be a clever creature and had a good relation, had a love relation with her, and later got married also with her. In this video, up to here, in my next video, I will tell you the rest part of the chapter. Thank you. Be safe, be at home, be safe, and wait for the lockdown to be over. Thank you.